Hi Zenden, welcome to our 1100 square feet apartment in Mumbai.
Come on in.
Hi, I'm Radhika. I work as a software engineer.
Hi, I'm Ajoy. I'm in the financial markets.
This is our 3 BHK and we moved in about a year back.
We live here with our 10-year-old daughter.
Ajoy and me wanted a very minimalistic design, neutral color palette, and that is what you will see throughout the house.
So this is our living room where we spend maximum time with our family. We have oak laminates that running through the wall, and the same laminate we have used for this cabinet as well. And to give a pop of color, we have this 3-seater sofa that is in sweet finish. In the living room, we have added this cabinet. It's a multifunctional unit which has a bookshelf and a display shelf as well. And here we have bar unit which is concealed. We didn't want alcohol to be displayed. And on the opposite side of this wall, we have a floating TV console which has a soft closure mechanism. So this is our center table. It's a fiber made nested kind of a table. So main advantage is we can move it around when we host our friends. When we go to the apartment, the living room ran till the end of the balcony. But actually we wanted some cozy area to spend our evenings. So what we did was we extended the balcony so that we get that seating space.
This is one of the most favorite corners of the house. Most of the houses nowadays comes with very small balcony, but we wanted to create such a relaxation zone so that we can enjoy this wonderful view outside. So this additional space gave us an opportunity to create a garden-like area with a lot of plants, greenery, and this massive bougainvillea wall that actually adds a lot of color. We have added a mix of materials in this space. You can see that the tiling replicates terrazzo. We have bamboo chairs added to this space, and to add a modern touch, we have this acrylic swing, and the birds that you see in the background adds a bit of whimsy. Let me now take you to our master bedroom, which is cleverly concealed behind these walls. When we were designing the house, we tried to keep the materials constant, like the decor and the oak laminates, but we played around with the color palette. So in this room, you will see grey and white tone inspired by the view that we have, along with black accents. Just like the main door of this bedroom, the washroom door is also concealed and the entire space is symmetrical. To break the geometrical pattern across the room, we have added this spherical pendant lamps. To add a bit more of color to the entire space, we have this headboard. We have this queen size bed here, which is sufficient for the both of us. The bed comes with a storage, which is convenient. This is our kitchen. This was a closed conventional kitchen, but because we reduced the living space, we decided to open up the kitchen. This is a fairly rectangular kitchen divided into 2 sections. One is the cooking area and the other side is a prep area. The bulkier items like refrigerator and dishwasher goes towards the end of the kitchen. We needed a lot of storage space. That's why you see these mounted cabinets which are a bit large. The kitchen supplies and spices go in the counters over the cooking area, and the dishes go in the cabinets beneath the countertop. We were given a powder washroom in this space, but we converted it into a laundry space where we keep the washing machine and there's an ironing table. This is where we dump all our stuff, so I'm not going to open and show it up to you. The cabinets use the same oak wood laminate, so we have a continuity between kitchen and the living space. The countertop is again off-white quartz, which is pretty easy to maintain. We do not want a typical dining table in the home, so we opted for a breakfast counter. So this is where we grab our quick meals, we have our coffee conversations. This space also doubles up as a buffet counter when we host our friends. The entire space is in a neutral color palette. We have used this green along with some black accents to add a little bit of depth.
This is our main entrance area. This is a bit smaller in weight, so we went for this wall-mounted shoe cabinet. It doesn't obstruct the free passage, and we can easily pick up any footwear from this.
Hi, I'm Advita. Welcome to my room. I love the color blue, so I wanted my entire room to be blue. So I wanted a lot of places where I can sit cozy and just read.
This is the most vibrant and colorful room in the entire house since it's used by army. So to balance out that color shades, we have used white color wallpaper and again the same wooden laminates that we used in the entire house. She loves to read a lot. So what we did here was, instead of a traditional kind of a storage unit, so we made this over the head kind of storage and created this niche area where she can sit and read. And we have added a strip of light also here so that it helps in reading. And the storage is ample and sufficient, that has all her clothes and everything. And beneath this bed we have a pull-out drawer as well, which keeps her toys and other stuff. In this room, we have used ice blue Decor laminate. The best part of this kind of laminate is it comes in a variety of colors. This is very smooth and edges are also very soft, so it's very kids friendly. Opposite to me, that's her study table. And just adjacent to study table, there is a reading nook also, so where she loves to sit and read. The room is a bit smaller on the size, so we couldn't fit a proper dressing table as such. So what we did was, behind the main door, we added a small dressing table which she loves to use. My daughter loves her room a lot. She personalized it as per her comfort and needs. She added medal holder to keep her medals. He's a big Harry Potter fan, so she added a couple of figurines. So she loved the room a lot, and she spends a lot of time in her room as well. So when we were hunting for a house, we wanted something within the city but away from all the chaos and everything. And when we came here and saw the view, there were no second thoughts. And our designer Rupali, she helped us a lot in this journey.
Rupali checked with us about our interest individually. So this home is a culmination of all of our interests and personalities. We cannot believe that in 3 months of time, they handed over the project to us, to this wonderful home. And we are so glad seeing our daughter Ami growing up here. Thank you, Senden.
If you enjoyed our home tour, please like, share and subscribe.